Okay, all you artists out there, I will give you a little bit of a challenge. Here are two different eye tests that you could check your monitor calibration and your own eyes just to see how things go. Now, this is an unscripted test. It's ready to go. On this one, all I did was turn off all of the advertisements and it's ready to go. What I'll do is put the links for both tests down below, and just for fun, you could try them out and see how you do. Now, this one I'm looking at, it wants you to find the different square out of 5. Now, right now, I think that this one, this one, this one, and this one are all the same. This second one here is a little bit darker, so I'm going to click it. These 4 look to me to be alike. This one looks a little bit darker. I'm going to click it. Now, these 4 look a little bit darker. This one looks lighter. I'm going to click it. These 2 and these 2 look dark. The middle one is light. I'll click it. Okay, now the remaining colors are more challenging. Careful observation recommended. Okay. This one looks dark. This one looks dark. This one looks a little bit lighter. Black's a little bit more of a challenge for me on my monitor, but these 4 look alike. This one looks a little bit darker. I'll click that one. Now the gray isn't too bad. These 3 are dark. This one is dark. This one looks light. I'll click that one. Now this one, and this one look dark. This one looks a little bit lighter. These 4 look darker. I'm sorry, they look lighter. This one is darker. These 3 look light. This one looks light. This one looks dark. These 3 look dark. This one looks dark. Now I take that back. These 2 look light. These 2 look light. And this one looks darker. These 3 look dark. This one looks dark. This one looks light. I'll click this one. This one ain't too bad for me. These 3, 4 right here look all light. This one's darker. I'm going to click that one. Now this one, these 4 look darker. This one's a little bit of a challenge. Actually, these 3 look light. This one looks light. This one looks a little bit darker. Show results. Well, how about that? I got an eye of an eagle. You answered all correctly and have scored the highest possible score. You have impressive sight, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, here's the next one. Again, I'll have the links below if you want to try them. Now, this one is for colorblind test. I think this online company sells some kind of special glasses to help you see color. But we'll take the test. Right here, take the test. Again, unscripted. I'm doing this as I go. Start the test. Are you wearing Enchroma glasses? No. Okay, now this one's fairly easy so far. 6. That's a 3. That's a 3. That's a 6. That's a 9. Colors are getting a little bit closer together. That's a 7. Six. 7. 1. 1. 7. 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, 9, and I'm looking to see if that's a 6 or an 8. Time has run out. Select an answer. I'm going to go with 6. 5, 3. Okay, email results. No thanks. Just go to the test results. Congrats. You can see up to 1 million distinct shades of color, 1 in 12 men and 1 in 200 women with color blindness may only see up to 10% of the colors you see. Well, that's interesting. I guess I check out okay there too. So if you want to give them a shot just to have a little bit of fun, check out your monitor. Unfortunately, if something goes wrong, you may not know whether it's your eyes or your monitor unless you have a good optometrist. Either way, if you want to give it a shot just for fun, see how it works out for you, and if you can tell the difference between the subtle values. If you can't see any difference at all, it may be your monitor. That's obviously what I would check first. So, until I see you out in the field or back at the studio, thanks for watching.